Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the OmniCharge pocket-sized smartphone power bank. It has USB Type-C. It's good for laptops and mobile devices. It has 12,800 milliamps of power. It has up to 60 watts for laptops via USB-C and up to 10 watt wireless. So you get two power ports here. This is the in and out, 60 watts up to on this. This is incredible for such a small battery. Has quick charge 3.0 here. And on the top, this is where the wireless up to 10 watts pad is to charge that. And we'll give you some more information about all the charging features of this battery. You can pause the video anytime and take a look at that. The kit comes along with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Has a nice piece right there holding it all together. And USB-A to USB-C cable also. Some quick information on the back. Again, you can pause this and take a look at any time, but 60 watts output, that's incredible. This will take 30 watt input to charge it super fast. And it shows you all the different hours you can get from different devices with this small battery. So if you're looking for a smaller battery that can actually power a MacBook Pro all the way down to an iPad Pro, an iPad, iPhone 12s, iPhone 12 Pro Max, this will do all of that at full speed. This is Chris Rochnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.